family, I'm Haula Fati, your CapCut coach and YouTube growth guide. If you're serious about growing your channel, hit subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a tip. Stop publishing your YouTube videos immediately. If you're uploading videos straight from your phone or app without paying attention to the right settings, you're hurting your views, your click-through rate, and your growth. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to upload videos the right way. Are we together? Optimize them for SEO and set your channel up for success in 2025. Alright, let's dive in it. You know, most creators just hit publish as soon as the video is ready. But here is the truth, and get it from me, okay? YouTube is not just about posting videos. There are hidden settings, optimization tricks, and upload strategies that will completely change how your videos perform. If you're serious about growth, watch this video until the very end, because you're about to learn what most creators ignore, okay? Step 1, access YouTube Chrome Studio. First, open YouTube Studio on Chrome. Yes, Chrome on your mobile phone. Are we together? The app is good, but the Chrome gives you full desktop access right from your phone. This is where the magic happens. You will see all your upload settings, analytics, and features that you cannot fully use in the regular YouTube app. Step 2, understand visibility options. Now let's talk about visibility settings. This is where many creators get it wrong. We have public. Anyone can watch your video immediately. Members only. Only your channel members get special access. Unlisted. Only people with the link can watch. So this is great for the private sharing. We have private. Only you can watch, you yourself. And here is my advice. Always upload videos as private first. This gives you time to fully optimize your title, tags, description, and thumbnail before going live. Step 3. Title, description, and tags. Your title is your first impression. Make it clear, searchable, and clickable. Your description is where YouTube learns what your video is all about. Just add 2 to 3 paragraphs with your keywords naturally written in. And yes, tags are still very important. They help YouTube understand your topic. What I'm gonna do, I'll give you some tags in the description below, okay? That you can copy and use. Step 4, thumbnail. Never skip thumbnail. And remember, a great video with a bad thumbnail will not get clicks. Just design your thumbnail to be clear, bold, and easy to read, even on small screens. Use big text, a brighter background, and your face, if possible. CTR, click-through rate, is what makes your video go viral, and your thumbnail is the biggest factor. Number 5, scheduling and premieres. Instead of publishing right away, schedule your videos. This gives YouTube time to index your content, and it allows you to promote your video before it drops. If you want extra hype, set it as premiere. Viewers can chat live while watching it for the first time. Step 6, YouTube Studio tricks. After uploading, go back to your YouTube Studio and check your analytics. Just click on your impression, click through the rate to see how your title and the thumbnail are performing. Use the pencil icon to edit your titles, tags, or thumbnails anytime. Your first 24 to 45 hours are very crucial, so make your adjustments quickly. There you have it. Stop publishing videos blindly and start uploading like a pro, okay? If this video helped you, click that like button, subscribe for more YouTube growth tips, and ring the bell for notifications. Watch the next video here and keep building your channel the smart way in 2025. I sign out.